On this day, May 9th, 1994, a new chapter in history began, one written in pain, courage, and hope. After centuries of colonialism, decades of institutional racism, and years of violent struggle, Nelson Mandela was officially elected the first black president of South Africa. Just 4 years earlier, he was a prisoner. Now he stood before the world as the symbol of freedom and reconciliation. His election came after the country's first fully democratic election, held in April 1994. Over 20 million South Africans of all races lined up to vote, many for the very first time. They waited for hours in the sun and the rain in silence. They weren't just voting, they were reclaiming their dignity. Mandela's victory was overwhelming. His party, the African National Congress, won over 60% of the vote. But more importantly, South Africa had chosen unity over vengeance. The world watched as a man who had spent 27 years behind bars rose not with anger, but with grace. He invited his jailers to his inauguration. He asked his people to build together, not tear each other down. Mandela's presidency wouldn't be easy. Poverty, inequality, and the wounds of apartheid would not heal overnight. But May 9th was about more than politics. It was a declaration that even in a nation built on injustice, a peaceful transfer of power was possible. That forgiveness could lead, and that one man's moral strength could reshape a country. From Robben Island to the Union buildings, it was a long road. But on this day, Nelson Mandela didn't just become a president, he became a symbol for South Africa and for the world. It all began on this day. Subscribe for more history every day.